We are talking about our recovery time today. So, recovery is a hard thing for dancers. If we have time off, we tend to forget that we're not going to come back into the studio the way we once were. And this can happen for a multitude of reasons. If a dancer was injured, dancers already have a hard time coming to terms with the fact that they are out of class. And that's why I find it so important that you at least keep your mental game going by taking notes and still attending class, so that way you're still being engaged somehow. We can also miss class in cases like right now. There are dancers everywhere that are missing out on their standard dance classes, and when we return, everybody's going to have a lot of work to do. Whether you're still training in different ways, like right now, where everybody's doing videos, there's still a difference. Those who practice at home, we know you don't push nearly as hard as an instructor driving you to do so. So, when it comes down to recovery, dancers should remember patience. Now, this is a lot easier said than done, but you don't want to jump back and expect you to be where you were, like I said. I have seen dancers, especially those who are coming back out of an injury, think that they can just jump right in. And this can be really detrimental to our bodies. We need to kind of take a really big step back and reintroduce certain steps to us. Now, granted, this depends on the severity of what happened, why you were off, as to how fast your body will recover. On average, the rule of thumb is kind of for every week you have off, you have 2 weeks of recovery time to get back to where you used to be. So the more that is prolonged, the more challenging and the longer you're going to take to get back to your old self. We also see this for dancers who take like summer off. You may still be active, so you're probably going to bounce back a little bit faster, but you were not dancing. So to get you back into your proper dance form, it's going to take a while. And oftentimes it takes dancers from that August, September timeframe all the way through our Christmas break to get back on track effectively. This should all be taken into consideration, and especially with everything going on right now, have patience with yourselves. It's going to take everybody a long time to get back and into the swing of things again. I hope this helps answers a little bit of questions of expectations, at least when it comes down to recovery. And I will see you tomorrow.